In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a forced copy in Google Forms. This is a handy trick that can save you a lot of time and ensures that others can use your forms without accidentally modifying the original. Let's dive in and break this down step by step so that by the end of this guide, you'll be able to confidently set this up for your forms. First things first, you'll want to open up your Google form. Simply navigate to Google Forms and open the form you wish to share as a forced copy. This step is crucial because you need access to the form settings to proceed with the changes, so double-check you're logged into the correct Google account that owns the form. Once you have your form open, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. You're going to click on the Send button. This button is represented by a paper airplane icon, and when you click it, a pop-up window should appear. This window is where you'll configure how to share your form. In this window, you'll see several options for sending your form. What you want to do is click on the chain link icon at the center. This will generate a shareable link, which is the key to making the forced copy feature work. After clicking the link icon, you'll notice a URL gets generated below it. You'll need to make a slight modification to this link so that it forces a copy when someone clicks on it. Copy the link to your clipboard and paste it somewhere you can edit it easily, like a notepad. Take a closer look at the URL. You need to replace the section of the URL at the end, which typically says edit USP equals sharing with copy. It should now end with copy. This little tweak is what makes the magic happen. Once you've edited the link, copy the entire modified URL to your clipboard. The final step is to share this modified link with whoever you want to create a copy of your form. So whenever someone accesses this link, they will be prompted to make their own copy of your form instead of editing the original. And there you have it. By using this method, not only do you protect your original form from unintentional edits, but you also provide a hassle-free way for others to use and customize their own versions. Remember to store the forced copy link safely so you can share it whenever you need to. Thank you for following along. I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical tips and tutorials. Until next time, happy form building.